Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Cello Quick Boil Popular 1.5 litre electric kettle. This particular electric kettle, as you can see, there's an image of the electric kettle right on top. This particular electric kettle comes with auto off protection, pull lid opening, white mouth for easy cleaning. It comes with a 1200 watt heating element and 1.5 litres capacity, which I mentioned already. It also comes with 1 year warranty on product. Some features are mentioned here. This is the pull lid opening, as it says. There's an on-off switch, stainless steel body, easy grip handle, 360-degree cordless operation, and also a light indicator. That's more or less all the information on the box. Let's just see what's inside. So this is what you will find inside the box. Let's take a look at the documents. This is a warranty card from Cello for the Quick Boil Popular. This is a very important document. You should keep it safe. And this is the user manual for the Quick Boil Popular model, the 1.5 litre electric kettle. This is the instruction manual, everything that you want to know. That includes parts description, specifications, safeguards, cleaning and maintenance. Everything is listed here, so you should read this as well and keep it safe. So this is the charging base for this particular electric kettle, or rather the heating base. You will notice that the heating coil rather is right over here. And not just that, this is a 360-degree swivel base, which means that you can turn this around like so without any problem. Even when you put the kettle on top, this can also turn around like so. So there's no issues with the wire will not block operations under any circumstances. Furthermore, notice these grooves over here, so you can actually store the cable over here like so as well when you want to put it inside a storage unit. Speaking of the cable, this is a quite thick PVC cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. This is the Quick Boil Popular 1.5 litre electric kettle. This comes with a 1200 watt heating element. This is the one right over here. And you'll notice this has a solid stainless steel body with a cool touch handle as well. This part is made out of plastic. This is stainless steel. And this is your pull lid opening, as you can see, and the interior is also made out of stainless steel. And this is the wide base that we were talking about earlier. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Cello Quick Boil Popular 1.5 litre electric kettle. Thank you for watching.